Welcome back to the North Science Channel. I'm Jamie.
Hello.
This is Julie
Hi.
and Brian.
Hi.
Today we are going to talk about the boiling point of water. As you see here, we have two pans with 4 cups of water in them. One pot has a lid and one does not. We've turned the burners up all the way to high and have a kitchen thermometer. Right now, let's check what our measurements are. Okay, right now, Julie's pan is measuring at 170 degrees. Okay, now it's Brian's turn. Now, don't touch it with your hand.
I used to.
Brian's pan is measuring at about 142 degrees. We see bubbles forming. On the left, you see that they're coming to a rolling boil, and on the right, they're tiny bubbles. As you can see, the one that had the lid so far has had the highest temperature.
Yay!
The heat energy was kept in the pan with the lid, and therefore it boiled faster. We started with the same amount of water and we turned it on at the same time. The lesson there is that you can conserve energy by putting a lid on your pot when you are cooking. Alright, both are at a rolling boil now. Let's do another reading of our temperature. Now it's showing 190 degrees. 190 degrees. Okay, let's look at the other one. The other one is about 190 as well. So now that we've removed the lids, both are boiling at the same rate. If Julie puts her pan lid back on, we can predict that the one on the left will reach boiling point first, which is 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and that the right one will take a little bit longer to get to that temperature. So let's test our theory out. So, it is clear and obvious that both pots are at boiling point, but our thermometer is not showing that. What could this be? How could this be? Well, it's possible that the thermometer is not accurate, or we just haven't waited long enough. Sometimes experiments don't always turn out the way that you have planned, but we can still learn and gather data from that. A boiling point is 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and so whether it is the pan situation or if it's the thermometer situation, we weren't able to get to that. If you clearly look at both pans, they are boiling. That is boiling water, and they both should read at 212 degrees. Thanks again for tuning in to the North Science Channel.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.